Everyone is welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer of our YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel now and join us. Today, I will teach you how to easily remove the background of any photo in a short time of 3 seconds. You don't need to download any app for this. You don't need any photo editing knowledge for this either. Okay, let's see how to remove background from the image. You first go to Google and search for remove.bg. Now you touch the Upload Image button. Now you select the photo you want to remove the background from your phone gallery and press Done. Okay, now the background of your photo has been removed. Now touch the Download button and download the photo with the background removed to the gallery. It's so easy! Now you can remove the background of any photo in seconds. If you want to watch videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join us.